Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tokens within your homepage on Phantom Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your social accounts or by using your recovery phrase. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to add a token onto your account within your homepage, where you will see the various different tokens that are displayed, just tap on the Manage Token List option. From here, you can just use the search box to search for any token. And once you find the token that you are looking for, you will see the toggle button. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will enable the toggle for this token, and it will now be visible within your token list on the homepage as well. You may also buy or swap for any token by tapping on the Buy or Swap option. When you tap on the swap button, you can use any of your present token or currency in order to exchange for any other token or currency that you would like to buy. Once you have purchased any token, it will also be displayed within your homepage. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add tokens within your account on Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.